Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about Christmas. Dumela, ke ala magala mo ditsong tsa rona tsa Setswana. Tsatsi jeno re tsile go bua ka Keresemose. Kereke. Matsalo church aga morana Jesu Keresete. The birth of Jesus Christ. Dithapelo tsa bosigo botlhe, all night prayers. Dimpho, gift. Malatsi a boitapoloso, holidays. Kana boikhutso. Meleto, festivals or concerts. Metshameko, games or soccer games or football games. Dijo, food. Dino, drinks. Mino, and dances. The choirs, traditional choirs. Ngwaga o mosha and New Year. So these are the words that you'll be hearing if you are going to Botswana, or if you are in Botswana and you don't know how, you don't speak Setswana yet. So these are some of the words that you hear a lot around this month. And I hope that you can now understand what people say. Maybe you are listening to the radio, or maybe you are overhearing a conversation and you hear people saying all these things. So I really do hope that you're going to enjoy your Christmas, and you will have a happy new year. And if you have started your holidays, I hope that you are also enjoying your holidays. Please, thank you so much for watching. And if you just happen to be here for the first time, subscribe and learn a new language. And I hope that this whole year you've been enjoying learning Setswana. I will say, however, on the next lesson, I will try to put some of these words into sentences. I just wanted to make today's lesson to be very short. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Christmas or enjoy your holidays. Salansen.